Next is you can share your feedback on our Discord group. They have a very fantastic Discord group. If you want to have access to the Discord group, you can just go ahead and click on Discord server and you'll be brought into this very Discord group. So once you click on Discord server, you'll be prompted to go to the Discord website where you will put in your details. This is in conjunction with the OpenAI. So you'll be brought in here. So you have to type in your name. Okay, so after you follow the procedure to log in, there are rules and regulations. You follow over here, you can see you have rules that before joining the community, you have to read about the rules. You have to be respectful. You have to not spam, and you have to stay on topic. Whichever topic you are going to discuss, you have to stay on that topic. In case there are certain rules over here, you can just go ahead. No self-promotion. You have to stay away from political discussions. Do not bypass the auto mode filters and all that. You have to follow this rule, and then you have to verify your email as well. So an email will be sent to your account to verify your Discord account. So you just click on this verify and you'll be brought into that Discord. Okay, so you agree to all these rules, and then you enter the main server to start your discussions. So once you finish here, you can go back to the main ChatGPT platform. There are lots of things you need to come here to learn. This is the entire community taking care of ChatGPT. If you have any questions, the sections have been categorized into OpenAI chatter, OpenAI questions, AI discussions, off-topic, introductions. Once you click on any, you will see a lot of people communicating within the community. There are so many people that you can just send in your comments and they will welcome it and they will respond to you. This is ChatGPT discussions. You can see related things. People have been connecting and they've been talking about different kind of things related to ChatGPT. And you can see ChatGPT 3 discussions. The good thing about this is all the forums have their own platform. So you can go to the right one to ask your own questions or to connect in terms of those platforms. You can see prompt engineering. You can see API discussions. You can just click and you see multiple people having issues and they are discussing here. Look at this one. He's saying too many requests in 1 hour. This is an error he got and he wants to find out what is causing the error. So a lot of things going on inside this very community. And I feel like it's very, very useful and very, very interesting to have access to this. Okay, once you're back here, you can come to the main, you can click on done and you're back to the main ChatGPT platform.